how to manifest your dream job via affirmations. So, if you are looking forward to manifesting your dream job, maybe it's that high paying IT job or a government job or anything, any job that is your dream job, this video is just for you. So, hello everyone, I am Neha Kumar. I'm your manifestation bestie because I love making manifestation easy for you. And today we are going to discuss how to manifest your dream job using affirmations. So, here is the step by step process. I want you to follow it to the T. You can follow along this process as you watch my video. So, if you want to follow along, pause this video right now, grab a pen and a notebook because you are going to do a lot of writing. Grab a pen and notebook and let's do it together. So, are you ready to manifest your dream job? I'm also going to be sharing with you my own experience when I wanted to manifest a wonderful new job so that you can, relate to it and have more belief that it's going to work out for you. So, if you're ready, if you've got your pen and copy out, let's dive right into it. So, the very first thing that you will need to do if you want to manifest your dream job is the number one step in manifestation, and that is not a technique but to get extremely clear on what you want out of this job. See, this step is very important because, first of all, it's a mindset shift from thinking, am I good enough for my dream job? To thinking, is this job good enough for me? See, a lot of times the reason why you don't have your dream job yet is because you think that you want to prove yourself worthy for your dream job. But the reality is, you are worthy, and the job that you are applying to needs to prove itself worthy to you. Alright, so write down. I want you to focus on this. What's your dream salary? Like, what's the amount of money that you want to receive? Now, I want you to be very clear on this. It's not just writing a certain amount. Write what should be your in hand salary. What's the amount of money that's going to come to your bank account every month? Write down this amount of money comes as salary in my bank account every month. Then write down what privileges do you want to have. Do you want to have, your medical insurance paid for? Do you want to have leaves? What sort of leaves and how many leaves do you want? Do you want to have paid leaves? What other benefits your job is going to offer to you? So, for example, is it a work from home job or you want to go work at the office? I absolutely wanted a work from home job because I absolutely love living with my family, and that is exactly what I got. So, one of my previous jobs, they were planning to bring us back to office, and I was like, no, I just want to work from home. So, that was one of my requirements. What's the work culture like? That's another important thing. Are the people helpful? How your bosses behave with you? What's the vision of this company? Do they want to grow? Do they want to help you grow? Do they want to be helpful to you, to be nice and kind to you? Write down a perfect, deep, detailed description of what the work culture of your dream job looks like. As of now, we are not naming any company. We are writing down the characteristics of what your dream job looks like. This is very essential. Do not skip this step because if you do, let me tell you a story from my college life. Back then, when I did not know about manifestation, all I wanted was a certain amount of salary. I got that certain amount of salary, but was I happy at that job? No. So, you have got to write down everything because money is not the only aspect. If you are unhappy at your job, that money is going to do nothing for you. So write down the details about the work culture, the pay, the extra benefits, the kind of people, and also what do you expect this job to do in your career? Like, where do you want to go from this job? What is it that you are going to be learning from this job? So one of my dream jobs was actually, this was a company that was creating courses, and because I wanted to be a manifestation coach, it was a wonderful experience for me to learn the process that goes behind in creating any course. Like you get to talk to people, what references you look at, and you have to make a lesson plan, and you have to just do so many things, ask the industry as experts, study a lot. And that was an experience that that company brought to me. I mean, it was a very different company. We were working in IT, in engineering divisions, but it really helped me prepare for what I'm doing right now, which was my dream career. So write down, what do you expect your job to do? And once this description is done, you would have noticed this took such a long time because it is essential. If you nail this, the next steps that are coming forward are absolutely not going to bother you at all. So if you've not done what I told you for step one, pause this video right now, re listen to everything I said, and write it down again, because this is the backbone. Step one is the backbone of the manifestation process. Once that is done, step two is to create your affirmations. So, once you are clear with what salary you have and you have a wonderful write up, what I want you to do is read this write up every day and then affirm for 15 minutes. So take 15 minutes out in your day, read this write up that you just wrote, and affirm for 15 minutes. One, I work at my dream job. Now, when you do this, your subconscious mind absolutely knows what your dream job means. So it's going to make it very easy for you to reprogram your subconscious, get that desire. Then I also want you to affirm for the exact amount of money that you are going to get from this job. So you can say, let's say your dream job's monthly pay is $3,000. So you will say, I earn $3,000 every month via my dream job. So use these two affirmations. These are the only two affirmations that you may need. You absolutely do not have to overcomplicate the process. Use these two affirmations, affirm them repeatedly for 15 minutes. That's it. You're done with the manifestation process. Once this is done, take inspired action, do your very best to enjoy your time. Do not worry too much about the job, because you're going to get your dream job. This absolutely works. It has worked for me. I got that job that I wanted in a week, in a week's time after starting this affirmation. There's also another affirmation which really helps with anxiety, that I'm going to link it up here, that video. If you are having deep anxious thoughts about your dream job, that video and that affirmation is absolutely going to help you. I used it back then because I was very new at manifestation, and I was really having anxious thoughts because I really, really wanted this job. So it's okay, getting a little bit anxious is okay. So definitely watch this video as well. It will absolutely help you out. And that is the manifestation process for manifesting your dream job using affirmations. So let me know once you get your dream job. Okay. So with that, thank you so much for joining me here today. Like this video, comment Master Manifester. I always ask everyone who watches my videos to comment Master Manifester, because when you repeat something, you become that something, and I want all of you to be Master Manifestors. So, subscribe to my channel if you're new here. If you want my 1 is to 1 guidance, check the description box for all the details, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.